Hello students, welcome back to this lecture. This is the fourth lecture of this series in which we are going to look at how to solve figures and flowchart. Now, if you have not gone through the first three lectures of this series, then you can find the link of those videos in the description. Please go through them and then continue from here. So without wasting time, let's start with the question type. So whenever we are solving figure and flowchart, try to have this strategy clear. It will help you to solve it very quickly and effortlessly. The first of all, what you need to do is the first step is to understand the given picture, try to identify the differences, and understand the names or terms that has been already given to you. So let's look at this particular question. So here we have two figure, 1, 2, and 3 question types are from here, and 4, 5, and 6 are from here. What we need to do is try to first understand the figure number 1. Now, just look at this figure. Look at the heading, Persian Kannad method. So we need to look for these keywords first. What is the answer length? It is one word only. So this is very easier for us because answers lamba nahi hoy. So if the Persian Kannad method આપણે પહેલા identify કરવાનું છે, then 1, 2 and 3. હવે અહીંયા આપણને blanks type આપ્યું છે. So let's look at what is the number 1 question. So blank to direct the tunneling. Now to direct means to give instruction for the direction. So that જે flow છે એ આડો અવળો ના થાય. So direct guide કરવાની વાત છે. So tunneling ને guide કરે છે something. So what is that? So these vertical lines are there to direct the tunneling. તો આપણું ફોકસ હોવું જોઈએ ડાયરેક્ટ પર અને ટનલિંગ પર. Then what we have? Water runs into a blank then used by local people. So water is running. So this seems that this gray area seems to be water and which is running into so some portion in which water runs and that is used by local people. So we have to pay attention on local people, water and running into. Now, vertical shafts to remove earth and for something. So these shaft those are created to remove the earth. Now to remove earth means to remove the soil કે જે અહીંયા આપણને મળેલી છે while shifting process, and then they are also being used for another purpose as well. So we have to look at the second purpose of this soil or the shaft. Okay, so let's try to solve this 1, 2 and 3 blank first. So Persian, okay, we got the first keyword Persian. Do we have anywhere Kannada? Okay, tunnel is there. Okay, okay, Kannada method. It is there only. So this is Persian Kannada method. So we got the name. Then which are the other terms કે જેના પર focus કરવાનું છે? First is direct tunneling. Okay, now once you get this, right? Once you understand the picture, differences and terms, then locate the paragraph. So this is what we have done. We have located the paragraph. Then comes the third. Read one line and match with the figure and then repeat till end. So we have to read one line first. Okay. Which consists of placing post over a hill in a straight line to ensure that the tunnel keeps on its route. Now, if I understand this line, then it means that first of all, પોસ્ટ કરીને કોઈ વસ્તુ છે એને પ્લેસ કરવામાં આવે છે હિલ પર એક સ્ટ્રેટ લાઇનમાં. શું કામ? ટુ એન્શ્યોર that the tunnel keeps on its route. So this is the route, that means direct the tunneling. તો કોનો યુઝ થાય છે? તો શું મૂકવામાં આવ્યું છે? પોસ્ટ મૂકવામાં આવી છે. ક્યાં પર? હિલ પર. સો મલ્ટિપલ પ્લુરલ ટર્મ્સ છે તો એ તો પોસ્ટ જ છે because there are two arrow. Whenever you get more than one arrow, that means it plural term પર ફોકસ કરી રહી છે. The second, water runs into something. Okay, now what you need to do is, now we have covered till here, then see, let's look at this, and then digging vertical shaft. Now vertical shaft is what? We got it here. So line question number 3, these are the vertical shaft, right? Down into the ground at a regular interval. So at regular interval, the shaft are dug. Okay, let's move on. Underground, workers removed the earth from between the end of the shaft. So remove earth. We got that. So vertical shafts are used for removing earth, right? Creating a tunnel. The excavated soil was taken up to the surface using the shaft. Again, shaftમાંથી સોઇલને બહાર કાઢવામાં આવે છે, which also, that means and, which also provided ventilation during the work. So this shaft has helped to remove the earth and to provide ventilation. So my answer of third is ventilation. So pay attention, your answer can be in a different order, but your paragraph has to be in the same order. Once the tunnel was completed, it allowed water to flow. Water flow, water runs from top of the hillside down towards a canal. So water is running into canal which supplied water for human use. So that means local people. So water is running into a canal. My answer of second is canal. So this way, just go through line by line and get your answer correct. Right? Let's follow the same for this. So અહીંયા શું દેખાય છે? There is a cross section of Roman canal shaft. Okay, we are clear. So there has to be something about Roman canal shaft. Let's try to look for that. Okay, shaft is here. Do we see anywhere Roman? Okay, Roman canal. We got that. What we have to do is now, what else is given? So this is your vertical shaft. Okay, within that shaft, there are some arrows, right? What are these? Handholds and footholds used for something. So these handhold and footholds are used for some purpose. Then on the top of this shaft, there is one item. Looking at the handle, it looks like some lead or something, right? So this is made of wood or stone. Okay, this item is made of wood or stone. So wooden or made out of stone. So that is the description of this item. Then we have this string, and along with string there is some weight. Okay, and this is the road on which this string is tied. Okay, attached to a plumb line. Okay, so this is your plumb line. As we know, આ plumb line છે તેની સાથે જે attach છે એને આપણે identify કરવાનું છે. So let's look at this. So Roman canal is this, we have got it. Now let's try to read it line by line. The shaft were equipped with handholds and footholds. Okay, we got this, to help those climbing in and out of them. Now they are used to help for climbing purpose. So let's try to see handholds and footholds used for. My answer of 6 is certainly going to be climbing. Right? Let's move ahead. And were covered with wooden or stone lid. So we got wood, stone. Okay, my answer is clear. It is lead. Okay, let's move further. To ensure that the shafts were vertical, Romans hung a plumb line. Okay, we got this plumb line from a road placed across the top of each shaft. Right? So it has been hung on a road. Then the weight at the end of it. Okay, and make sure that the weight at the end of it hung in the center of the shaft. So what is in the center of this shaft? So this weight is on the center of the shaft. So my answer is going to be weight. Clear? Let's submit and see. Out of 6, we got 6. So here we are going to look at the flow chart. You can see there is cacao seeds and my answer is no more than 3 words. So I have to be a bit careful over here, right? કે answer મને lengthy બની શકે છે. Now what is happening? So cacao seeds, they are sorted, cleaned, cooking, riding seeds of their something. Sorting, cleaning, and cooking. Riding seeds of their something. There is a full stop. Okay, so let's see cacao seed. So it is about the processing. Now, if I look at the sentence or the question types in this, so which paragraph contains this information? So, okay, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. So, identifying. And then we have true, false, not given. And these four blanks or four flowchart is at the end of the question set. So, maybe you expect કરી શકો કે આન્સર જે છે એ મને થોડા later part of the paragraph મળશે. So I'll first try to look it from the bottom. What are the main keyword? Cacao seed, sorting, crushing, sugar milk, crumb mixture, crush, finally come out in shape of this, and chocolate. So process of making chocolate. Okay, chocolate making is a big. This is what they have mentioned. I don't see anywhere. Okay, cook, sort. Okay, now it seems to be I have got the answer. Right? It seems to be my words are matching. Sort, clean, and cook. So sort, clean, and cook. So this seems to be my answer is from here. What I'll do is line by line read Karishu and then try to match it over here. Okay. To become chocolate, cacao seeds go through a long production process in a factory. Workers must sort is matching, clean is matching, cooking is matching. Then they break off the covering of the seeds. Okay. So that only the inside fruit or nibs remain. Then comes worker crush. So the crush is now matching with crushing. That means my answer is gone. તમારો આન્સર છે આટલા સેક્શનમાં જ છે. So riding seeds of there. So of there something is mentioned. તો there પછી I can always expect noun અને noun પણ એવું હશે કે જે seedsની પોઝિશનમાં હોય. તો seedsની પોઝિશનમાં શું છે? જે the break of the covering of the seeds so that only the inside fruit or nibs remain. So fruit or nibs is here. Okay, so again my answer is from this. Okay, of their covering. So they are like separating out fruit from the covering. So my answer is going to be seeds of their covering. Now, what is the next process? This is crush. So I got crushing. So crushing something. So what is being crushed? Into a soft substance called chocolate liquor. Okay, crushing, and crushing gives you chocolate liquor. My answer is chocolate liquor. Now adding sugar, milk, and something. This gets separated into cocoa solids and fat called cocoa butter. Chocolate makers have their own special recipes in which they combine chocolate liquor with exact amount of sugar, milk, and cocoa fat. So they are adding sugar, milk. Sugar and milk is already given. So what is missing? Cocoa fat. Then crumb the mixture. So what they are asking is they finally crush this crumb mixture in order to make it smooth. Okay. The mixture then goes through two more processes before it is shaped into a mold form. Crush finely, then come into a shape. In a, in that is into. So shape in a mold form. So my answer is going to be mold. So let's say mold form, because if I put form as well, then also there is no harm. So let's submit and see. We have got 4 and we have got all correct. So this is what we have to do. I'm again repeating. First of all, just understand the given picture, identify the differences, and then understand the terms. Then look at the paragraph. Once you have located the paragraph, then read that passage line by line and match it with the figure and flowchart. Whatever the figures and details you are matching, accordingly. Select your answer and repeat this until you complete your paragraph. The thing is, figure and flowchart are going to be usually from single paragraph itself. So you will not have to scan through the entire text. You will get all your details from one paragraph itself. Okay. So thank you very much for your time.